Snap-on Training Solutions helps you get the most out of your ProLink Ultra diagnostic tool. This module covers the optional Repair Connect Intelligent Diagnostic Information System. Before operating ProLink Ultra, read the safety instructions and user manual carefully, paying extra attention to the safety warnings and precautions. The optional Repair Connect system is an online source of diagnostic information, wiring diagrams, connector diagrams, photos, and tests for heavy-duty vehicles. If your tool is subscribed to Repair Connect, you can easily access it from the fault code screen. Repair Connect requires a secure internet connection. The first time you select the Repair Connect tab, you will need to log into the subscription. Enter your username and password using the on-screen keyboard. Repair Connect automatically loads vehicle information and displays the 6 navigation tabs. Selecting the Description tab shows a detailed description and the possible causes of the code. The Testing tab displays a list of both trouble code tests and component tests for the control modules or ECUs that interact with the possible fault, including a troubleshooting tree for inspecting, testing, and verifying the repair. To exit, select the green arrow. The Specs tab shows test specifications associated with the components related to the current fault code. These specifications may include electrical values, torque values, and removal and replacement procedures. The Wiring Locator tab displays a list of the wiring diagrams, connector diagrams, and component locator associated with the current code. The wiring diagrams are related to the selected fault code, and the number of diagrams is also shown on screen. Selecting the wiring line will display the first diagram in the list. While viewing a diagram, there are several options. Select the arrow to exit the screen. The View Full Screen button expands the wiring diagram to fill the display. The plus and minus can be used to zoom in or zoom out. The X at the top of the screen is used to exit this mode. Selecting Print allows printing or saving the screen to the tool's hard drive. The left and right arrows can be used to page through all the diagrams. Selecting Connector shows a digital image of the connectors associated with the current fault. Like the wiring diagrams, the same Print, View Full Screen, and Zoom functions are applicable. Selecting Locator shows a digital image of where the component that needs to be addressed is located. The Remove and Install tab shows a list of the available remove and install procedures for the components associated with the selected fault code. To zoom in, double-tap the screen. To zoom out, double-tap again. Select the arrow to exit this screen. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Be sure to watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series.